Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jordan, and today we're going to be drawing a shadow versus an Enderman. The colors you would need will be black, purple, light purple, red, yellow, and peach. I hope you liked watching me draw shadow versus an Enderman. Subscribe, ding ding ding. I'll see you next time.